Hello students, welcome to the Click English channel. I'm Tutor Nick and this is my Better English course. In lesson 100 we will focus on listening. The blog you will listen to is nearly 3.5 minutes long, so I've made this lesson really short for you. First of all, here are some words you are going to hear that you may not know. Repeat the words after me. If you have a mobile phone with a voice recording app, you should record yourself and see if you are correct. Partner, trick, load the dishwasher, while, motivate, You are going to listen to a blog called The Lazy Person's Guide to a Clean and Tidy Home. Before listening, look at the tips 1 to 7. Try to guess the missing words. Now listen to the blog and answer the questions about each tip. Write the answer. Keep your answer short and simple. I'm lazy, but I like living in a clean, tidy home. Maybe you're the same. It doesn't matter if you live by yourself, with a partner, or with a group of friends. You're always going to have to do some housework. Learn a few cleaning tricks and you can have a clean home and still have plenty of time to relax and do nothing. Tip 1. Clean quickly but often. Clean for just 10 minutes twice a day. This gives you time to, for example, load the dishwasher and do one other thing like vacuuming. Set an alarm on your phone to motivate yourself. Tip 2. Keep cleaning products in the right place. Put cleaning products near the place where you need them. Keep bathroom cleaners in the bathroom. Keep bin bags by the bin. And keep dishwasher tablets on top of the dishwasher. Sometimes you don't clean if you can't immediately see what you need and you don't want to look for it. Tip 3. Clean the microwave regularly. You probably use this every day, and it gets dirty quickly, believe me. But cleaning it is super easy. All you need to do is pour a little water into a microwave-safe bowl, slice a lemon in half, and squeeze the juice into the water. Then put the 2 halves of the lemon in the bowl and microwave on high for 3 minutes. Leave the door closed for another 5 minutes and then clean the inside with a cloth. Tip 4. Use your dishwasher to clean other things. If you have a dishwasher, it's probably already your best friend. But did you know that it can clean much more than just kitchen things? You can use it to clean all kinds of things made of plastic, like toys or even flip-flops or other plastic shoes, and also for things made of metal, like tools or keys. Tip 5. Tell people to take off their shoes when they come in. If you hate vacuuming, but you also hate the floor because you don't do the vacuuming, there's an easy solution. Tell your housemates and guests to take off their shoes at the front door, and if they refuse, give them the vacuum cleaner. Tip 6. Use your socks to clean the floor. If you have a hard floor, like wood or stone for example, Make your socks work for you. Take your shoes off and slide across a different part of your floor each time you move across it. It'll soon be completely clean. Then just throw your socks in the washing machine. And finally, tip 7. Listen to music while you clean. Sometimes you really need to do some housework that you hate, like ironing or cleaning the bathroom. Put on your favorite playlist and focus on the music, not the boring housework. And one last word. Many people say that lazy people are often the best employees because they find the most efficient way to complete a task. That's the way you need to think when you're cleaning. Good luck! How long should you clean for, and how often? What can you do to motivate yourself?
For 10 minutes twice a day. Set an alarm on your phone to motivate yourself.
What is the right place to keep cleaning products? What happens if you don't know where the product is?
Near the place where you need them. If you don't know where the product is, you don't want to look for it.
How does he recommend cleaning the microwave?
Pour a little water into a microwave-safe bowl, slice a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the water. Then put the 2 halves of the lemon in the bowl and microwave on high for 3 minutes. Leave the door closed for another 5 minutes and then clean the inside with a cloth.
Why does he mention flip-flops and tools?
Because you can clean them in the dishwasher.
What does he suggest you do if people refuse to cooperate?
Give them the vacuum cleaner.
What kind of floor does this work for? What do you need to do when you finish cleaning?
Hard floors like wood or stone. Throw your socks in the washing machine when you finish.
What kind of housework is this especially good for?
Ironing and cleaning the bathroom.